In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a video from CapCut to your gallery. Whether you're creating content for social media, recording a personal project, or editing a video for professional use, exporting your work properly is the final and crucial step. It ensures that all your hard work and creativity are preserved in the highest quality possible and ready to be shared or saved. So, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making sure you understand every detail along the way. Let's get started. First, before we even think about exporting, make sure your video project in CapCut is fully edited and finalized to your satisfaction. Take a moment to go through your edits, check transitions, effects, and make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it. This step is important because once you export the video, going back to make changes means you'll need to re-export it all over again, which can be time-consuming. So, double-check your work to save yourself from unnecessary hassle later. Now, let's locate the export button in the CapCut interface. If you're using a mobile device, you'll typically find this button in the top right corner. It might look like an upward arrow or a download icon depending on your version. On a PC, the export button is usually in the same location, so check the top right as well. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap or click on it to move to the next step. After tapping the export button, you'll be taken to the export settings screen. This is where you can customize the quality of your video based on your needs. Start by selecting a resolution. You'll usually see options like 720p, 1080p, or even 4K. If you're planning to share the video on platforms that prioritize high quality, like YouTube, 1080p or 4K is a great choice. On the other hand, if you're looking to save storage space or share on platforms where ultra-high quality isn't necessary, 720p could be a better option. Next, choose your frame rate. A higher frame rate, like 60 frames per second, offers smoother playback but will result in a larger file size. If you want a smaller file size, or if your video doesn't require smooth motion, a lower frame rate like 30 frames per second might work just fine. Adjust these settings based on the specific balance you need between video quality and file size. Once you've finalized your export settings, confirm everything and tap or click the export or save button to begin the rendering process. This is where CapCut takes all your edits, effects, and adjustments and combines them into a single playable video file. Keep in mind, the rendering process can take some time, especially if your video is longer or has a lot of effects. During this step, it's important not to close the app, or if you're using a mobile device, lock your phone. Doing so could interrupt the process and lead to errors, so just let CapCut do its thing. When the rendering process is complete, you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know that your video has been successfully exported. This is your cue that the file is now saved and ready for you to access. To verify the saved video, go ahead and check where the file was stored. If you're on a mobile device, open your Gallery or Photos app, and you should find the video in your most recent files. If you're using a PC, navigate to the destination folder you selected during the export process. If you're not sure where the file ended up, CapCut typically saves it to the default video folder on your device, so start there. And that's it. Now your video is saved and ready for whatever you want to do next. You can share it with friends, upload it to your favorite platform, or simply keep it in your collection to enjoy later. So now you know exactly how to save your video from CapCut to your gallery. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.